Welcome back to another video, friends. Today I'm going to tell about how can you off fingerprint in AppLock setting, guys. You want to off your fingerprint AppLock in AppLock setting, guys, so you can off. And guys, how to off? Today I'm going to tell you about how can you off. So before starting video, friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So you want to off your fingerprint in AppLock setting, guys, so you can off. So first of all, friends, open your phone setting. Then guys, click on password and security. Guys, click on fingerprint, draw your pattern. After, guys, you can see AppLock on fingerprint, guys, so you want to off your fingerprint in AppLock setting, guys, so you can off from here. So I off it. So now you can see, guys, when I will open my YouTube, it's already on. Where is my AppLock? Which app, guys, I have setting? AppLock. So you can see there is no any fingerprint option. I will have to set my pattern. You can see, guys, turn on fingerprint unlock, verify your fingerprint. So I hope, friends, you have understood how to off fingerprint in AppLock setting Redmi 10 phone. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before you guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.